In this week's Higher Ed highlights, robots, fab labs, and healthcare were on the agenda during Chancellor Gardner's recent visit to the North Coast. The visit began at Lorain County Community College's Smart Center, where the Chancellor was welcomed by LCCC President Marcia Ballinger and greeted by Pepper, a robot programmed by students within the college's Advanced Technologies Department. With the Chancellor as her audience, Pepper was quick to praise her home campus.
We are first in the nation for student success. We offer so many opportunities. Everyone I know here is so nice. And now we are offering bachelor degrees through our MEMS program. I love working and learning here. If you'd like, I can answer some questions you may have. I love talking with new people, and I know a lot of things.
Also along for the visit to Lorain were the region's legislators, Representatives Gail Manning, Joe Miller, and Dick Stein, and Senator Nathan Manning. The group learned more about the college's new applied bachelor's degree in microelectronic manufacturing before heading to the school's digital fab lab to see what students are learning in the areas of 3D printing and robotics to help shape their careers. From there, Chancellor Gardner traveled to Bowling Green State University's Firelands campus, which was hosting an open house for Phase 2 of its Allied Health and Sciences project. The project, for which Chancellor Gardner helped secure funding when he was a state senator, includes state-of-the-art laboratories, 6 classrooms, office space, an advising center, and student collaboration space. Chancellor Gardner said the upgrades are important for what they will provide to BGSU students in the field of healthcare.
Because when you look at training nurses, providing better equipment and lab support to deal with things like drug-addicted babies and infant mortality, the President talked about being relevant to our community. What's more relevant than that? To helping save lives, helping healthcare professionals save lives.
The Chancellor concluded his visit by touring the newly renovated space with Bowling Green President Rodney Rogers and Firelands Dean Andrew Kurtz. Look for Higher Ed highlights on the Ohio Department of Higher Education's YouTube page and through our Facebook page and Twitter feed. And check out our website at OhioHigherEd.org. Thank you for watching, and come back next week for another round of Higher Ed highlights.